Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck again, and it's Wednesday, and by now you guys know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. And this is the 8th week, the 8th edition, and for this one I kind of had a request from some of my 1R scholars who are soccer players, they're goalies, and they do this thing where they have to punch the ball to keep it in the air. It's an activity, a hand-eye coordination activity, and I figured it'd be a good one for us to do this week. So for you younger scholars, maybe grab a balloon or a beach ball so it stays in the air a little longer. The heavier the ball, the faster it's gonna drop, and it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. So the younger scholars, grammar kids, maybe grab a balloon or beach ball. Older scholars, grab a volleyball, a soccer ball. I just have this rubber ball laying around the house. So the object of the game, it's a minute, so set your timers for 60 seconds to see how many times you can punch the ball and keep it in the air. It's gonna be a little difficult, but I'd like to see you guys, how good of a score you guys can get. The two soccer players I have that play goalie said they're pretty good and they can get a high number. But I'd like to see what everyone else can do. So send in your results to Magister Cole and myself, and we'll see who can do the best ball punch. Hope you guys have a great day and fun with this activity, and I will see you on the next video. Have a good one, scholars.